What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing around with the R.E.M Beauty concealers. I'm super excited, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. I bought them from Ulta. That's number one. They retail for I think $24 each. I will double check that. But I'm pretty sure they retail for $24 each. And when I ordered on Ulta, I got the sponge for free. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you the colors that I got. And the sponge retails for $15 if you don't, you know, buy the concealers. So yeah, I got the shade Tan 6W. It looks so pretty. Oh, it comes with a little spatula. That's so cute. Okay. So I got this shade. This is the shade Tan 6W. I just wanted to show y'all the packaging before I open it. And I got shades that were similar to like what I use when I do my makeup on the daily. So this would be like my highlight shade. I'm gonna put the little spatula back in there until we're ready to use. And then I got the shades Deep 2G, which I will take out now. So this would be my concealer shade, so just to conceal. And then I got Deep 5NG. If you're unsure of like what the letters mean, W is warm, NG is neutral golden, and then G is just golden. So yeah, this is gonna be my contour shade. I did not get the primer, the R.E.M Beauty primer, but I wanted to see how it does with like my own products before I decide to invest in like, you know, other things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime like I normally would. And I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and applying one side with the sponge and then the other side with a brush, which is what I would normally do because it is a cream product. So we're gonna go in with Deep 2G. I'm gonna take, I'm not sure if she used the sponge damp or dry, but it's pretty soft, so I'm gonna try dry first. Oh wow. Okay, you do not need a lot of product. She was right, a little goes a long way. I just wasn't sure if you had to, you know, break that first layer, but you don't. Wow, that, wow. Wow. Okay, Miss Ariana. I mean, everything from R.E.M has been so great thus far, so like, I don't expect anything less. So we're gonna go in with the brush, which is how I would normally apply, and then I'm gonna blend with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. But I do think it's great that you can just, you know, go in with the sponge and you don't have to use it damp. which I wouldn't really recommend for cream products if I'm being honest. They do work better with like a dry sponge. I don't know why that is, but okay. My sponge is almost dry because I did wash it earlier, so. But it's not like hard, it's like still soft and malleable, I guess you would say. Okay, so that is my conceal shade, and I'm very impressed. This might be my new favorite concealer. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with tan 6W, which would be my highlight shade, and I'm gonna use like the size to do this. They layer pretty well, so that's good. I just took a little bit more because I like my under eyes to be a little bit brighter. But I like that the products aren't like lifting each other. We're gonna take some on the forehead. And we're gonna take the first brush we used. I'm using the back of it because it's clean. And I'm going to just repeat the same process that I did. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and blend this out. So this is both sides done. And I do like the fact that you don't really have to get the sponge if you don't really want to. I do really like this sponge though. I can still like use what I have, like if I don't have the means to spend. I just saw a bee out my window and I freaked out, I'm sorry. Don't have the means to spend like $24 and then the $15 for the sponge. Like if you go in store to buy these products. I like that you can still use, like if you have like a flat brush, you can dip in with the flat brush and then use like the sponge that you normally use. So now we're gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna use the other side of the sponge to do that. That looks pretty. I like that it's kind of like bronzy a little bit. I do think I could have gone a bit darker, but I do like the product like overall. Okay, now I'm gonna take another brush just because the first brush that I used has concealer on it, so. My hair is really trying to be all up in my business today. So I'm gonna take out my Real Techniques brush and use that to blend, because that's what I use for my contour. My face looks really nice. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do our foundation. I don't really have to go in with much foundation. I'm just extra, so. But we're gonna use like, that was like a half squeeze. It looks really nice with the foundation as well. My face looks so like, I don't know how to explain it. It just looks really nice. I'm really bad at like explaining things, I feel like. Okay, so I think what I want to do after I like fully finish my makeup is we're gonna do a wear test, because usually for me with cream products, they do break down easily on me. So we are gonna see how this wears throughout the day. It's currently 12:11. Let's do the rest of our makeup though. And I'm only doing my eyes on camera just in case I get questions. about like what's going on my eyes. So I'm gonna take the All My Things Beauty eye glitter in the shade Some Sweet, and I'm gonna put some like in the middle, and I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. I'm gonna take some glitter. This is a Too Faced glitter. This is from the collab that they did with Nikki Tutorials mad long ago. I've never finished this glitter, so we're gonna use it because I want to. I'll just look on Pinterest, so I'm gonna insert the picture. I don't know who the original artist is, but if y'all do, let me know, and I will properly credit them. Even with the glitter, it hasn't like broken up, which is wonderful. I'm gonna put some eyeliner in my waterline. This is the NYX retractable eyeliner pencil. Okay, the eyes are done, so we're gonna move on to the lips. This is the All My Things Beauty your lip tint. This is the shade number 2, Vintage Orange. I was looking for the name. I thought it would be really pretty with this look. I feel like a princess. And then I'm gonna add, so what the girl did in the picture, she put some down her nose. Okay, that's pretty. I'm gonna blend it just so it's not too stark, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the Too Faced glitter that I have here as well. Okay, so I will see you guys in a couple of hours just to see how everything wears. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so it is currently 7:56, almost 8 o'clock. So I've had my makeup on for almost 8 hours. I figured this would be a pretty good time to test how the product would be, like, I guess during like a school day or a work day. So this is with like no touch-ups, no powder, no nothing, just like basically chilling around my house. I've eaten, I've taken a nap. My eyes did tear a little bit, so that's why you see like my mascara kind of ran. So like here's my final thoughts after the wear test. As you guys can see, I don't really have any separation. It did crease, but that's like normal. It didn't even crease that badly, if we're being honest. So yeah, as you guys can see, barely any creasing. There's no separation around here, which is usually where I would get separation. And I'm just using my phone as a mirror because I don't have one up here with me. And I don't want to have to keep going to my door. So even around my mouth, there's no separation, which you would usually see if you're eating or laughing, which I've been doing both today. So yeah, I've been eating, I've been laughing, I've been smiling, and there's no like separation or creasing or anything, even by my nose, which is usually where my makeup would cake up around the end of the day. There's no cakiness. So yeah, I give this concealer a 10 out of 10. It's really, really good. My skin looks so smooth. Like, it looks almost like a filter, but not really. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks so good. Obviously I'm oily. I'm not gonna touch up my makeup because I'm gonna shower soon and take it off anyways, so there's no point in me touching it up. Excuse me. But yeah, as you can see, I'm oily around here and my forehead and a little bit on my nose, and I don't have any filters on my camera, y'all can probably tell, so y'all can see everything. But my skin still looks good. Like, my skin still looks amazing. My foundation did come off a little bit, but I expect that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. Tag R.E.M Beauty if you can. Tag Ariana if you can. I would really love for them to see it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support and for sticking around. And I will see you guys maybe Friday, maybe next Monday, all depending on when I get these videos finished edited. But yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.